Hello guys, ethical hacking interview questions. What is attacker ROI, return of investments in cyber attack? Attackers choose target based on effort versus reward. Factors can be time required, difficulty, value of data. Example, low effort phishing gives high reward. It is preferred. Attackers don't always go for hardest exploit, they go for easiest win. What is weakest link exploitation strategy? Attackers target the weakest component in system. Example, strong server security means weak employee means phishing. System is only as strong as weakest link. What is the phishing attack? Path optimization, choosing fastest path to compromise system. Example, instead of exploiting server, steal credentials. It is efficient for attackers to avoid complexity. What is noise versus stealth trade-off? Noisy attacks are fast but easily detected. Stealth attacks are slow, hard to detect. Red team often chooses stealth. What is opportunistic versus targeted attack? Opportunistic are random target, they are automated. Targeted are specific organization, custom attack. Most real breaches are opportunistic. What is initial foothold strategy? First entry point into system. Methods are phishing, web vulnerability, credential reuse. Most critical stage. What is attack surface prioritization? Choosing which asset to attack first. Priority can be internet facing systems, weak authentication system, legacy systems. What is detection fatigue exploitation? SOC teams ignore frequent alerts. Attack are generate noise, hide real attack. It is very effective. What is alert evasion strategy? Avoid triggering security alerts. Methods are slow attacks, legitimate tools, normal traffic patterns. What is attack timing strategy? Choosing best time to attack. Example, night or weekends or holidays. It has less monitoring. What is multi-vector attack? Using multiple attack methods simultaneously. Example, phishing with API attack with credential stuffing. It overwhelms defenses. What is decoy attack? Distracting defenders. Example, fake attack triggers alerts. Real attack happens elsewhere. What is persistence layering? Multiple persistence mechanism. Example, backdoor with token with scheduled task. If one remove, other remains. What is privilege escalation strategy selection? Choosing best escalation method. Options are local exploit, credential theft, misconfiguration. It depends on environment. What is lateral movement path selection? Choosing which system to move to. Target, high value systems, domain controller. What is data targeting strategy? Selecting valuable data. Example, customer data, financial data. What is exfiltration channel selection? Choosing how to send data out. Options HTTPS, DNS, cloud storage. What is cleanup strategy? Removing traces after attack. Methods are delete logs, remove tools. What is re-entry strategy? Returning after detection. Example, use hidden backdoor, use stolen credentials. What is full real world attacker decision making model? How attackers think? What is the easiest entry point? What gives fastest access, how to stay undetected, where is valuable data, how to exit safely. Thank you.